How to create a restore point on Windows 11. Windows 11 has the ability to construct a restore point. If something goes wrong with your system, it's critical to activate and create restore points from time to time. Before making any big changes to your system, you must also create restore points. However, because it isn't enabled by default, we'll show you how to enable it and make a restore point in Windows 11. How do you make a system restore point on Windows 11? To begin, press the Windows key or click the Start button. Write restore point into the search box. And press Enter or select the top result from the results list. The System Protection tab will appear in the System Properties box. Click on the button Configure. You can modify the amount of disk space utilized for the restore points. You can move the slider up or down. If you only have a tiny amount of storage, on the other hand, you can minimize it. In most cases, the amount of space assigned by Windows will be OK. Click OK when you're finished. It's time to establish a restore point now that System Restore is enabled. Follow the on-screen prompts after clicking the Create button. First, give the restore point a name that will help you remember what it's for. I'm entering and installing Office as an example. Click the Create button after giving the restore point a distinctive name. A progress bar will appear while the restore point is being built. When it's finished, you'll receive a notification stating that the restore point was established successfully. It's as simple as that. System Restore in Windows 11 operates the same as it did in earlier versions. If you stayed until the end, please show your appreciation by liking the video. Also, leave us a comment down below and subscribe for more tech videos. Have a great day.